Hey, if your Facebook not working, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, search for Facebook, and if you downloaded the app, make sure that you update it to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Scroll or basically swipe down to your control center and make sure that you have a powerful or stable connection in order to function properly in Facebook, right? To function properly using Facebook. Now, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and make sure that you go to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. And as you can see right here, I have an upcoming update. So make sure that you update in order to fix that problem, because probably this is what holds you in your back, right? Go back and stay in the general. Go to the general, make sure that you stay in the general. Scroll a little bit down, go to the date and time, and make sure that you set it automatically. All right. Now what you're gonna do, go to the VPN in device management. Probably one of the reasons Facebook not functioning well, maybe because VPN is working. So VPN can hold you back from using Facebook or functioning Facebook smoothly. So make sure that you disconnect any connections you made with VPN. All right. Now, if you still facing that issue, go to the iPhone storage and make sure that the Facebook doesn't take much space on your iPhone, right? And go to any, basically try to pin down Facebook. And in my case, I'm using that as an example, and upload the app and reinstall it once again, and that will free up some of the storage with keeping your data intact. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.